This is a random screenshot of one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and you can see we made $4,335, which is the most important number for the people who are looking for the answers of why the income is low, why the debts are high, why the credit score is going poorer and poorer while the prices and cost of living is going higher and higher. I used to ask these same questions back in 2010, and then I found the answer right here. The number of hops. So these are not the most important number. The most important numbers are right here. So what are these? These are the number of customers who paid us this money. And in this video, I'm going to show you hundreds of thousands of customers who will pay you $1 to $5 each, and you will make $100,000 to $500,000 a month. But here is a disclaimer, it's not going to happen overnight, but it's going to happen very soon if you follow the step-by-step method I'm going to share with you. So how do we get customers? We basically answer questions of the customers who are already buying, who are ready to buy with their credit cards. And before they make a purchase decision, they have questions. They need answers. We give them answers in the form of 1-minute videos using 3 to 5 minutes of our times with our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description, go grab it. So yes, we use Epic to make videos, but not like these videos. We don't use cameras and microphones for our other 20 plus channels. Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. Epic writes the scripts of the videos using artificial intelligence, then turn those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, and then make videos using image, links, and texts. How cool is that? Oh, you can grab Epic from the link in the description. But before we move forward, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way in the next 10 years. And we can only achieve this with your help, and we can no way achieve this without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, families, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, email contacts, everyone you know. Everyone you think who need to learn how to make money online. So hit the like button and share this video with everyone. This way you help us, help others, and you help your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly what we do and thousands of other people are doing to make money online, and you can do it too. Go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. Moving on to today's story. I love this person so much, but he says he's leaving YouTube. Normally, these thumbnails and titles are kind of clickbait because after almost 700,000 subscribers and running a successful YouTube channel, he's not going to leave YouTube just like that. So I was curious what he's planning because I want to know where he is getting the customers from. After telling his story about why he is leaving South Africa and moving to Bali, Indonesia, he says that he has spent so much time and money building these text motion graphics, and they cost you 59 euros, and the links are in the description. Whoa, yes, exactly. That's how to make money. This is where you get the customers. So his videos and his channel is about making videos, etc. And those videos require text motion graphics. So he made them and he's selling through the links in the description. But here is the problem for regular people like you and me. Making videos like this, telling stories like this, and creating motion graphics like this is not easy job. We want fast money right now. One of the easiest ways is Amazon. Speaking of a video guy on YouTube, let's use the example of camera. So I searched with camera on Amazon and there are 70,000 results. If you just scroll down below, you'll see varieties of prices. Interestingly, some of the accessories are even more expensive than an expensive camera. For an example, this lens. This is a Sony FE24 to 70mm f2.8 lens. What is that? Maybe you don't know, and even I don't use that. Yes, I have this lens, but I don't use it. But if you do a little research on what people are looking for, and why 332 ratings, that means minimum 3,000 sales already happened through this Amazon listing alone, there must be serious customers looking for serious information before they buy. So what are they looking for? Go ahead, do a little research on Uber Suggest and look for what people are looking for before they buy a camera lens. Go to YouTube and search with the title. Here I searched with the title and I looked for the answers on YouTube, what people are buying, what people are watching, and then I found these shorts. And look at this shorts feed. There are hundreds of thousands of views on these 1 minute long short videos. 1 minute videos means precise answers to precise questions. So the first video has 9.4 thousand views and the second video has 31,000 views, 3,800 views and 700 views, 2.6 thousand views and 3.2 thousand views. All these views are customers with credit card and they are looking to spend money online. All you need is use Epic, link is in the description, and make 1 minute video answering the questions they are looking for answers. Post them on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, post them on TikTok, and post them on Instagram Reels. They will send you views equals customers. Leave your links in the description, in the bios of Instagram and TikTok, and in your video, tell your viewers to click your links where you left them. They will click your links and they will spend money and you will make money. That's exactly what we do in order to make money on. Now I told you thousands of customers you already have on Amazon, but in case you are interested in something better, then go back to this video again. Why is he leaving YouTube for a couple of months? He is leaving YouTube to make his own storytelling course. Storytelling course, Mosh? Yeah, what I'm telling you here is a story. What he is telling you here is a story. Now let's go to Udemy and I searched with the keyword storytelling. 1,409 results. Look at the number of rating students left for these courses. I want to particularly talk about this course that has 47,000 students and sold at a price point of $14. Hey Siri, how much is 47,210 times 13.99?
47,210 times 13.99 is 660,467.9.
So they made $666,000 from this storytelling course. And this is why he's leaving YouTube for a couple of months. Speaking of Udemy, Udemy has 103 million monthly customers. They are desperately looking for a new course and they want to buy using their credit card. All you need to do is to make videos, bundle of videos about specific skills that you have, upload them on Udemy and sell to all these customers. Udemy has 62% their own customers and 21% customers coming from Google every month. This is how we get customers and we make money. If you want to use another shortcut, then here is another service that you can use. The software link is in the description. That is a transcription service. Offer this service on Fiverr and you see hundreds of Fiverrs are selling this service and making money. This particular Fiverr made $365,050 from selling this service and you can do it too using my softwares that's running in the background. You can see somewhere at the below part of this video where my speech is automatically turning into text. You can get this software for free. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Offer this service on Fiverr and make money. While you make money on Fiverr, record your journey in the form of videos using my software Epic, link is in the description. Upload your videos on Udemy in the form of a course and just like this person, make $371,000 by selling a Fiverr freelancing course. So just using my softwares for free, make another additional $700,000. Softwares are mine, customers are from Udemy and Google.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click Submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
That's it for today. Did you love this video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. All we want from you is help us help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. And for that, we need your like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. And subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button to get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.